Di ba tayo, ang reflex automatic, like, kunyari, simpleng mapuwi nga lang tayo, di ba? Parang usually nirarab na, okay. Ano bang dapat unang-unang gawin ng iyon, nagkaroon ng ganitong kaso na, o yan, welders, grinders, bilang nagkaroon ng foreign body, may feeling of foreign material, ano yung first na dapat gawin immediately?
Yun ang unang-unang bawal gawin. No?
Yung may gawin.
Bawal kusutin ng mata.
Naku.
Let's say may matamaan sa inyo. As much as possible, do not rub your eye because hindi natin alam kung, let's say, for example, chemical, you'll be able to spread the chemical further. Or kung may metallic fragment, baka pwede mo pang mabaon lalo.
Oh, di ba uso-uso pa naman yung parang, teka, nahirapan ako. Hipan mo, rather. Hipan mo, ganyan. So parang, pero that's not advisable.
Hindi rin ho yan advisable dahil baka may iba pang ma-expose sa ating mga mata.
Tsaka syempre, our oral cavity, madumi yan because yan ang kung anong pagkain ang pinapasok natin dyan. So, syempre, kung may injury na from dun sa kung ano man yon, and then, mamaya maltalsikan pa, di ba? The more na ma-aggravate yung condition. Tama ba, Doc?
Tama ba?
Okay, so yun ang unang gagawin, bawal may gawin. So, anong unang-una, pinaka-immediate na gagawin dapat?
So, kapag tayo nagkaroon ng injury, bawal nating kusutin yung mata. And after that, kailangan natin ma-flush po yung mata with irrigation fluid or water, drinking water, any clean source of water for 10 to 15 minutes.
So, if a flush without rubbing it?
Without rubbing it.
So, would you advise a free-flowing water, running water over, like, yung iba kasi lalagay sa basin and then didilat siya, which is more advisable?
Free-flowing water would be the best.
So, kahit
wag
na-
yung stagnant water.
Okay, so takbo yung flowing yung water pero wala pa ring gaganon mo lang. Okay, just so para mawala. And then after that, around 10 to 15 minutes,
After 10 to 15
what do
minutes,
they do next?
it would be best to seek medical consult na po.
Punta na sa ER
Punta na sa
para
ER.
makakita ng ophthalmologist at masilip. Masilip, ano po?